When it comes to graphs, as with many other things, Kinetica can often do the impossible. Conventional databases would require about 100 petabytes of data to store a graph with billion edges where every node is connected to every other node. Or in other words, this would be an impossible task. Kinetica's unique data structure technology can render the same graph with just 10 gigabytes of storage. This is about a million times less. And what's more, you don't have to learn any new complicated graph language to accomplish this. You can simply use the tabular or relational data models that you're already familiar with to integrate graph analytics into your analytical pipeline. I'm Hari Subash. In this video, we will cover the features of graphs in Kinetica that make it so special. We will also cover the 4 different components of graphs in Kinetica, which are nodes, edges, weights, and restrictions. There are 2 pieces to graph networks in Kinetica: the underlying graph data and the solvers that can be issued against this graph data. Let's start with the first piece. Graphs in Kinetica are built on top of relational tables. This means that we don't have to worry about setting up a separate graph database to use Kinetica's native graph capabilities. The use of relational tables also allows us to work with Kinetica's native library of functions, such as those for geospatial data, while modeling the graph. To create a graph from a relational table, we can simply issue a create graph call with the required parameters using Kinetica's graph server. This will create an internal native representation of the graph. This native representation is stored in memory and is custom built for high-performance graph analytics. Once this graph is created, we can do things like query it for specific information, delete it, modify it, and show information on it. We can also use it to solve specific graph network problems using Kinetica's predefined set of solvers. Once solved, the output from the solver is also a relational table. This allows us to easily plug the results from the solver into a downstream OLAP pipeline for further analysis. Solvers come in 2 flavors in Kinetica. The first type is accessed via the solve graph endpoint and is used to solve an existing graph for types of problems such as finding the shortest path between 2 nodes. The second is accessed via the match graph endpoint and is used to solve graph matching problems such as mapping a directed route implied by a set of points to an underlying road network. Now let's look at the components of a graph in Kinetica. Graphs in Kinetica have 4 components: nodes, edges, weights, and restrictions. Nodes are a fundamental unit of a graph in Kinetica. They represent the different entities in a graph, like people in a social network, locations in a geospatial network, etc. Nodes can either be specified directly from the data or inferred based on the edges. Edges connect different nodes and represent relationships. They may or may not have a direction, and there can be multiple of them between 2 nodes, each with its own direction. Edges are a required component for specifying a graph in Kinetica. Weights represent the cost of a given edge in a graph. Each edge in a graph in Kinetica is associated with one cost. Finally, we can use restrictions to inform the graph solver that certain edges or nodes should not be considered while solving a particular graph in Kinetica. So to summarize, Kinetica allows us to build and solve graphs using relational tables. This flexibility allows us to integrate graph analytics with traditional OLAP analytics without compromising the high performance of Kinetica. The native support for graphs also means that we can harness all the other aspects of Kinetica's data warehousing platform while creating graphs and analyzing the results from the solver. Graphs in Kinetica are represented using 4 different components: nodes, edges, weights, and restrictions. We can use different combinations of these components to model entities and their relationships to solve common graph network problems.